Hi Lana, welcome once again to Learner's Coach. We want to take a look at some of the remote artificial intelligence internships for international students. So it doesn't matter the location you are, as long as you're a student and you're looking for some kind of internship opportunities, then you're in the right place. More so for the students who have specialized in the computer science related subjects, right? So ideally, the issue of remote internship has a lot of advantages, especially for students who cannot move from one country to the other. So you can always do it online, and there are those particular opportunities also that always provide some students maybe with some kind of they give them these particular allowances so that enables them maybe to travel and so on. So let's look at maybe why this particular AI internship is actually thriving. As you can see, most companies from different industries are absorbing AI technologies globally, and that makes the demand of AI professionals to be actually high. So it keeps on skyrocket with some kind of reports indicating that there are a lot of AI-centric system investments that are actually put in place around 154 billion US dollars by the end of 2025, and we expect this to keep on maybe going up. So this has raised the reason as to why people are actually looking for interns, and it has also narrowed the gap for the people or students who are actually stranded when they're looking for internship opportunities. So we are here to understand maybe what are the benefits of AI internships, right? So as I'd mentioned, number one benefit of actually pursuing this kind of a remote internship is that you're going to have some kind of international network opportunities or connections. So here students will engage in virtual internships to enable them reach professions from all over the world. This might unlock doors for future opportunities for jobs, of course, collaborations, mentorships that might not be locally available where the student is. In terms of skill development, also this particular remote internship provides students with additional opportunity to excel in technical skills such as machine learning and data analysis, maybe if they are specialized in Python or R programming languages, and of course even cloud computing. So let's look at another benefit, and that is flexibility. So one of the major advantages of remote internship is that they allow the student to be accommodative as regards time zones. That's what I started by looking at, right? So students may balance their studies while gaining valuable work experience through remote internships. And then maybe lastly, the other benefit is improved employability. We are aware that one of the requirements for you to be employed in any part of the country, or rather globally, is for you to have some kind of work experience. So getting a remote internship is a plus, right, since it shows initiative as well as adaptability, which the employers often look for. So I'll always encourage students who are actually looking for internship opportunities to maybe try remote opportunities, so that at least you benefit from this particular internships. So as I'd promised, we want to look at these particular internship opportunities, especially the AI. And the first one is provided by Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence, right? So the Allen Institute is available throughout the year. That is the beauty for undergraduate and graduate internship in the field of AI related engineering and research. So here interns have a chance to work on the best projects while being guided by mentors with vast experience and ample hands-on opportunities with machine learning and data analysis. So key takeaway points: they offer competitive pay and visa sponsorship. So this is what I mentioned, that if you're not even If you're not able to do it remotely, they can always give you visa sponsorship so that you go there. Publication opportunities of research work, collaborative work environment with the latest facilities. So let's look at their website and see which opportunities are available at the moment so that we make informed decision. So as you can see, I've opened the Allen AI. This is the official website. So all you need to do is to come here, get familiar with what they're offering, right? So you need just to scroll down. You can see, just scroll down where we have join us. So you can see their current jobs, right? And also there's internship. So all you need to do is explore. So you just click on this explore internship option here, right? And then you have a look at the opportunities that are there. There's engineering internship, right? Okay. So there's also research internship. So whichever internship opportunities, of course, you can see there's also some open roles. Let's see whether there's an open role for the internship at the moment, right? So that's how you should be able to maybe check for internship opportunities within Allen. All right, so there you go. Find your calling. These are the open roles, different categories, product, and of course these are all. You can see research intern is available at Aristo and so on. So kindly take time, go through this particular website so that you find the opportunity. So let's look at the other platform or rather organization that offers this international AI internship opportunity. So we have deepsense.ai. So deepsense.ai runs an extremely popular summer internship program, which I'm going to show you how to maybe apply, wherein it enables interns to work on real-world AI projects. The program primarily targets enhancing the knowledge base in artificial intelligence and machine learning while providing hands-on experience through client projects. So the main features here, it is actually it offers 3-month program with real-world application. Experts from different industries are going to guide you as a student, and of course opportunities to present findings and collaborate with customers. So let's have a look at this summer internship program that is offered by the deepsense.ai. So all you need to do is to just go to your browser and type deepsense.ai, as you can see. So once you are within their website here, always just scroll down. Okay, you can read along about the guidance. So we're looking at the summer internship. You can see at the bottom here, the summer internship. Let's just click that. Good. So you can read more about this particular program, right? So before you apply, they're telling you to prepare a suitable CV, and they tell you what they actually pay attention on. So like they pay attention to your field of study, experience, the projects that you have worked on, right? We also consider AI, this is artificial intelligence, machine learning courses taken, right? Some basic information. Remember, these always happen in each and every year, so keep on checking. If maybe the data is surpassed, but you can always check next intake. So you can see the salary here, which is good. Minimum period of internship, right, is given, and of course 100% remote. What you learn, internship roadmap, good. So you can also see those people have already done the internship, right? So that's another this is another organization that can always provide you with this particular internship opportunity. Let's look at the next one. So we have Apple Machine Learning Research. Apple offers machine learning AI research internships. So students here are allowed to make inputs in emerging work proposals for Apple's products, such as AI applications. So it features superior exposure in machine learning, professional training and networking, and of course competitive compensation. To join Apple Machine Learning, you just need to go to their website. Alright, so you just need to type machinelearning.apple.com. So here we are, right? So what you need to do is just to click on work with us. You can see this option here. So if you click work with us, you can see it provides options here. So we focus on internship in machine learning and AI. So you click on that option, then it's going to take you to this page, right? So it offers internship in machine learning and AI, so you get hands-on machine learning experience with their researchers. So you just need to click explore internship opportunities here and see which opportunity best suits you, right? So we just can see, so these are careers at Apple. Then you scroll down, then you click available internship. Let's see which is available here. Okay, quite a number. These are just for students, right? So let's see if we can click on the location. Okay, you can even narrow down to the location and so on. So there are quite a number. Kindly check which remote options are available for you, right? Then let's look at I believe the final one, the final organization that you can rely on. So this is internship opportunity in Japan for AI and tech students. So in this scheme of sponsored by the government, international students from countries that receive official, I believe this should be official, is it donation or something? Ideally these are countries that are allowed to receive some kind of support, right? So are allowed to work in practical environments with Japanese tech companies. So it involves digital transformation as well as new business development using AI technology. So with them, they can always offer you travel support, and remember I mentioned this. So they offer you some stay allowances, visa, also about knowledge of strategies used by Japanese businesses, and then culture and skill sets. Let's look at their website. So to go to their website, you just type Japan Internship global.go.jp /students, and then you'll find this particular page here. So these are the internship in Japan. So eligibility: applicants must hold citizenship of a country listed on the OECD dark list, right? So you just need to click here, right, excluding the People's Republic of China. So if you click on this list, let's see. So order recipient countries. Actually, ODA stands for Official Development Assistance, right? I was struggling to find the meaning. So order recipient countries, territories, and international organizations that are allowed by Japan. So check the list here, you can see. So for instance, I'm from Kenya, and so Kenya is available, right? So we can always be guaranteed. So all these countries, so check whether your countries or wherever you are. So these are the current dark list of the order recipients, right? So if you go back, so you can see, ensure that your country features here, and then number of recruits, internship period. Of course, this is still on, but you can always look at the next phase, right? And on and on and on. So you can always read along for the requirements, then you can always apply. In fact, they are giving some kind of important points to note before submitting your application. So kindly go through them, right? So I believe I'll be looking at other internship opportunities for you students. So keep on checking, and if you find this information useful, give this video a like, and of course always subscribe to our channel. All right, thanks.